Around a year ago, I made more than $40,000 from a side hustle that you probably all have heard of by now called YouTube automation. This was one of my channels called Stories Told, which earned $12,000 in YouTube ad revenue. And this is another channel we had called Loving Creatures, which made $5.4 thousand in YouTube ad revenue. And we made even more than that across other social media platforms. I no longer run these channels, but I know that this is a side hustle that a lot of people still do. And it's actually one of the videos I made that got me the most views on YouTube. On my Unfiltered channel, I uploaded a video about how I made money with YouTube Shorts automation, and to this day this video has 970,000 views, which is crazy. I know YouTube automation is something a lot of you guys want to know about, and even though it's not something I actively do right now, I know it's something you guys probably still want to know a lot about. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining exactly how YouTube automation works, how I made money with it, how you can make money with it, and where I think it actually ranks in terms of which side hustle you should do in 2026. Let's get right into it. So if you don't already know, YouTube automation is basically just a side hustle where you post videos on YouTube and you make money from the ad revenue that these videos make. But the idea is that if it doesn't include your face in it, you can take a concept, go viral with it, and outsource the whole thing. And as long as you can pay an editor less to make the videos than the amount of money that you actually make back from them, from ad revenue or from any source, then you have a profitable channel and you can scale that up on a ton of different channels at once. So that's the idea behind it. And when we were making money on this channel, I was literally paying like $5 per video, and we were making back an average of like $80 every single video we were posting. The niche that I went into here is called the animal niche, where we were basically using clips all over the internet to craft these animal story videos. Our top earning video, I think, was this one right here on Loving Creatures, and it got 32 million views, which made us $3,145. On top of that, we were posting on every single other platform as well, and one of the platforms we were also making a bunch of money from was TikTok. I still post on TikTok with my personal brand, as you can see here, Fly Juggler, with pretty much 300,000 followers, and I'm still making decent money from it, $2,250 in the last 28 days. And what we did was we would take the videos that we posted on YouTube, use something called Repurpose, which I'll leave a link to in the description. It's 100% free to start, and we would auto repost our videos to every single other platform. I still do this to this day, and it's still making me tons of extra money, and I don't actually have to do the work of reposting any of these videos. So that was what we did to actually get views and make money. Now I'm going to go over exactly how you could start YouTube automation if it's something you still want to do in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is pick a niche that you want to do. I know a lot of people in a lot of different niches like Roblox, ranking, and so I kind of have a list of criteria that I used when I was trying to pick a niche that I think applies across the board. So the first thing is the videos or the niche that you're in needs to be able to consistently get over 100,000 views per short that you upload. If it can't get views, there's no point. And if you don't have any proof that it can get views, you're not making a good bet on anything. The second thing is the videos have to have a barrier to entry, but still be able to be improved. So this shouldn't be a video that anyone could just immediately upload. There has to be something, for example, knowledge about animals, or another example would be having a ton of clips of animals that you could use, or a third one might be expertise of a certain AI tool that other people don't widely know about yet. There needs to be some sort of barrier to entry that makes it hard for other people to just immediately come in and do it, but you still need to be able to improve on the content that's already being made. If you see the content that's being made and you can't think of any way that you could make it even better, there's no reason why that person wouldn't just keep dominating the niche over you because they already have the audience built versus you now have to build the audience. So you have to find a way to do what they're doing, but better. Number three, at scale, you need to find a way to make the videos easy and inexpensive to automate. So if you're going to be outsourcing this, you need to have systems built or ways that you could reproduce these types of videos regularly. So that would be like a system or a template without having to manually come up with a new idea every single time. And then finally, your content needs to be original / transformative. Now, I've made a bunch of videos on the past on what actually qualifies as an original YouTube short. It's this video right here, how to win content reuse claim on YouTube Shorts. It's kind of stupid criteria, but I've seen a lot of channels get away with, original content even when it's not fully original. So yeah, definitely watch this video if you're curious on that. So the next steps, once you find your niche, is actually making the videos. If you have no money, you're gonna have to edit the videos yourself, which means you need to know how to edit. I just used CapCut when I first started editing. The second I made my first dollar online though, I never edited videos myself again. What I did was I went on a Discord server. This one is called discord.gg/video editors. And I just posted a job request. You can put a paid request in right here. Just explain what you're looking for. You'll get a ton ton of DMs and then just give them a sample to make. And if they can make a good sample, then that's the person you should probably go with. When it comes to posting videos, I posted to YouTube as my main platform. That's because I was trying to do YouTube Shorts automation. And I mostly posted to old accounts that I had. The reason for this is because sometimes you could get hit with 0 view jail, which happens if YouTube thinks that your account is a bot. So I try to use old accounts that I already had. Those are called aged accounts because they tend to take off a little sooner and they don't get stuck in 0 view jail. Then, as I said, I posted to all platforms using repurpose.io. For monetization, I actually put together a cheat sheet on how monetization works on every single social media platform, like the requirements to get monetized, as well as how much money you actually get paid per 1,000 views. So the link for this is always in the description, but it shows you how monetization works on every single social media platform. And then, yeah, from there, it's just outsourcing more and scaling it even more. Eventually taking over a niche. We were able to get it working on 2 YouTube channels simultaneously. I think we even had a third going at one point, but eventually what kind of ended up happening in my case is as I was working on it, so I was working on it till like August, the revenue eventually just started dying out. You can see here we had some crazy days where we made like $300 in a day, but then slowly over time the videos just started getting less and less views, and then eventually we weren't even making money compared to our editing costs, so we were paying too much on editing to actually get our money back. And that's when we decided I'm just going to call it quits, and I no longer own my portion of the channel, and I ended up basically selling my portion of the channel. So with that being said, that's basically my story with YouTube automation and how I made money with it in the past. So if you appreciated watching, make sure to leave a like, and thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one, and peace.